Hey guys, it's Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we got the new year. We have the New Year's coming up super quickly. So I thought I would come on here and turn out a really fun, really sexy and pretty New Year's eye for you guys. Now, I know all of you just got all your Christmas presents in. Hopefully you got everything you asked for, even if you were on the naughty list. I know a lot of people just got the Conspiracy palette. It was out for a while, some people got it, so I thought I would take advantage of and have the perfect opportunity to create a New Year's Eve look using the Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette. It's got those perfect dark tones and the silvers that we need for a really sexy New Year's Eve smoky eye, so let's do it. So the first thing we're gonna do is prime our eyes, and we're gonna take our P. Louise base, and we're just gonna put this all over the eyelid and blend it out. You don't have to use too much of this because it's really thick, and we like it thick. It's really thick, and a little bit of it goes a long way. I just like to take a little sponge and just kind of blend it out all over the eyelid. And now that we got that nice and blended out all over the lid, let's go ahead and start applying some shadows. So the first color we're gonna tap into today is gonna be Diet Root Beer, and we're gonna use this in the crease. Just gonna kind of press that in there and really work it all the way across your crease. Our neighbors across the street have this giant ass dog, and he looks like Scooby-Doo, and I'm like, baby girl is going through it right now. He is barking malarkin. This is just like a really simple brown, but it's really pretty. Now that we have that on there, we're gonna tap into this shade Tanacon, and we're just gonna kind of rim that above, just to blend it out a little bit more. I mean, the shadow blends out pretty nicely on its own. This is just to get out any little last minute blending. Now today we're actually not gonna be doing a cut crease. We're gonna go for like a smokier look. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet our brush and tap into this color, Just a Theory, and we're gonna apply that all over the lid. So we're gonna take a little bit of our Morphe setting spray, wet the brush, and go in. And just keep flicking that upward to blend out. And then just taking a clean fluffy brush, we're just gonna use that to blend. Blend it out. And now that we got that going on there, let's clean up under the brow and highlight. Just taking this white concealer and running this right under the brow. And then using that same brush to blend. Now blend that out. Now we just want to set under the brow, so I'm going to tap into the color Virgin from the Jawbreaker palette just to set my brow. And now real quickly, we're just gonna clean these brows up. All right, now that we got those brows cleaned up, let's keep on keeping on. Now, obviously it's New Year's, so we wanna get super smoky and sexy. So we're gonna tap into this black, My Ride Is Here, and we're just gonna completely smoke out the side. Now I'm gonna hold something up here, this good old Coraline, and we're just gonna kind of color inside the lines kind of gig, because I want it to be very sharp. Just kind of work that in circular motions onto the lid, but really concentrate it on the side. Like more if you need to. I'm talking like, you can get real smoky toky with this. And then you can grab that blending brush again and use that to blend out. And finally, whatever's left over on that one brush with the lighter color on it, go ahead and blend that out too. And have you ever seen drama until today? Don't panic if that happens, because we're gonna go back in with Diet Root Beer and we're just gonna smoke out the whole underneath anyway, so. And I just really want you to press that pigment in there. We're gonna blend it out later. Just get like a lot of pigment under the eye. All right, now that we got all that pigment on there, go ahead and take a brush and just start blending that out. You can even take a little bit of Tanacon on your brush and use that to blend out underneath as well. And now my favorite trick, just take a big fluffy brush and just kind of blend away the excess underneath. This is just the first stage of the smokiness. Now taking a black pencil liner, I am using the Morphe one in the shade, where is she? I think it's called Dark Room. Dark Room, and we're just gonna line the waterline underneath. I don't do this a whole lot, but I think that it's gonna look real good for this look. And you can be a little messy with this, cause we're gonna smoke this shit out. You can start like running it under the lash line as well, just to kind of prime that area, cause we're gonna really blend it out. Now taking a tiny brush, just go in there, start blending it out. And see, now it's like super smoky underneath, very kind of like messy, sexy. Now please be very careful with this step. Taking this same brush, we're gonna tap back into My Ride Is Here in the palette, and we're just gonna really press that at the lash line. Just a little bit of shadow at a time. That's why I said it didn't really matter if that outer edge got messy, because... And now if you want, you can just tap back in one of those browns and just really blend that out even more. Just blend until everything looks really seamless. And we're left with this super smoky and sexy look. Now, because we did do so much under the eye, you're gonna wanna clean this up just a little bit because there's a lot of dark going on. So I think that you could just tap into this color, My Pills, and just to really clean like a little bit, just go ahead and tap that like right under this eye area to kind of re-brighten a little bit. Now that we got the bottom looking all nice and beautiful and smoky, let's go ahead and add some drama to the top using some black liquid liner. Now that we have that liner on the top, let's go ahead and wing it out. Yes, bitch. Now, because this is New Year's, we want to do something a little bit more exciting, right? Now, I love that this is just like a really pretty nude, like neutral eye, super smoky, super sexy, but I want to do a really fun pop of color with this look. And now for this, you can honestly use any color, but I love this color in here called Food Videos. So we're going to go ahead and pop that on the inner corner. But I would suggest maybe using Flaming Hot, like a really pretty red one. Ooh, what if I did one of each? Let's actually see what that looks like. On one, I'm gonna do Flaming Hot, and on the other one, I'm gonna do Food Videos, which I kept accidentally calling Food Vibes, but like... So I'm gonna kind of prep the eye first. So we're gonna put down a little cream right here, just so the shadow picks up a little bit more. So I'm just taking a yellow. And I'm gonna take this red. Now that we got that on there, let's dive in. So we're gonna really press the Flaming Hot shadow right in the inner corner. Just blend that out. And then now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, but with Food Videos. Now you can see, you can switch it up using two different colors, or you can just do one, but I think it looks really cool with these two. I swear to God, this is not sponsored by McDonald's, because that's what it looks like I'm going for. Ba-da-bop-bop-bop. We're still loving it. Now y'all know it's New Year's. We couldn't just be done there. So we're gonna apply a little bit of glitter over both of these shades, a yellow and then a red. And if glitter's not your gig, don't worry, no worries, leave it matte. But glitter is always my gig, so we're gonna tap some on there right in that corner. I'm just using the e.l.f. glitter glue and I'm tapping that right on top of that color. First we'll start with our yellow. Bitch. And now our red. Oh, how gorge. But I think now we need a little mascara, so I'm gonna throw on some of my Benefit They're Real mascara to get these lashes looking good. Honestly, now that I think about it, another color that could look really pretty here in the middle, right in this inner corner, would be Trisha, the bright pink. I think that could look really good too. Now that our eye is beautiful and blended for the gods, let's go ahead and add some highlight to the face, and I'm just gonna use MAC Soft and Gentle. It's New Year's, you want to be gleaming with your highlight. Now for your New Year's lip, you have got to be bold, so it's always classic to do a beautiful red lip, so I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in the shade Seraphine and applying that all over. And for today's look, we're gonna leave the lip matte. Now, I love putting the gloss Runway Red over a lip, but I think that a nice matte red really fits in with this look. Now, no makeup look is ever truly finished without a little bit of a lash moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite lashes from Morphe, and these are in the style So Charming. And while I'm waiting for that lash glue to dry on my lashes, I'm gonna quickly apply some colored contacts. Yes. Now, y'all know I went to Morphe and got that good old 2 for $22, so let's go ahead and set our face with our Morphe setting spray. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup. Now that it's all finished up, let's go ahead and get into our final look. Alright guys, well I hope you thoroughly enjoyed watching this transformation for my New Year's Eve sexy smoky eye look. I hope you guys can utilize this look. I hope this was educational, fun and funky fresh, all that kind of good stuff. And if you guys are not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys know when I'm posting new videos. I have lots more videos coming for 2020, so I'm super excited. And if you guys did not know, I am on Cameo, so if you guys would like a selfie style video from me to you, hit me up at Ariel Versace on Cameo. I love you guys and I can't wait to see the looks that you guys all turn out, and as always, yes.